Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add international beneficiary in our Rajhi Bank. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to add international beneficiary in our Rajhi app, the first step that you need to do is head over and open app and log in. So simply head over and open up your Rajhi Bank application and log into your account using your username and password. Then once done, on the bottom of your screen, simply tap on transfers option, and then once you're inside transfers, simply tap on beneficiary. Then once you tap on beneficiaries, you will be provided with options like local South banks, Rajhi account and international. Simply select international. Then once there, what you need to do now is enter beneficiary details. Carefully enter beneficiary full name as per bank record, IBAN or account number, bank name, country, SWIFT or BIC code, and beneficiary address. Once done, simply tap next, and then next step is to verify via OTP. Simply enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number, and once you enter the code, simply tap on confirm, and then once you do that, international beneficiary will be added successfully. Note that activation time is usually 2 to 24 hours, and some countries may take up to 48 hours as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can try to add international beneficiary, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.